In this video, we are going to be making labels using Avery Labels, and we want to make these labels off of a list that we have made in our Google Sheets. 2016-2017 staff listings is currently shared with all secretaries. These are the documents that are currently in it. And I have this document right here called All Stinson Staff Labels 2016-2017. So I'm going to go ahead and open that document. If there's any editing that needs to be done or any changes that need to be made, what you can do so that you're not altering this particular document is go to File and make a copy, and then you can make a copy of this information and add whatever information you need to be added to it. But for right now, we're going to use this exact list the way it is. So if you notice, we have a header on the column that's just called staff member, and everybody is listed on here. I have it in the format of last name first, and that's how I want to keep it. So to make a label with each person's name on each individual label, I'm going to go back to my Google Drive, go to New, and go to Google Docs. And it's okay to share it with everybody that's shared in the folder. That way, if anybody else needs the same labels, they'll already be in there. And now we have our fresh Google Doc. We're going to go to Add-ons. And I already have Avery Label Merge on here. If I did not already have Avery Label Merge, I'm going to go to Get Add-ons. And from here, if you type in Avery Label, enter, it'll come up right away. Mine currently says manage because I already have it installed, but you can add it if it's not already added. That'll say add instead of manage. Okay, so we have our add-ons, Avery Label, merge, and we're going to do new merge. And we're going to select address labels. And we're going to be using the 5160 labels. So select. It's telling us to choose the spreadsheet that we want to use. And since I just had that spreadsheet open, it's here at the beginning. So I'm going to click on that sheet. And over here on the far right, you'll see that it's updating. So my column header names, you'll see it says staff member. That's what I had on the top, cell 1, column A. And now I can do my formatting. So this is what my actual labels are going to look like. And what you want to do is click on all of the items that you want in here. So say you were doing a full address label, all of your headers would be different. So you would have, for example, recipient name, street, city, state, zip code, and you would just go ahead and click all of those. So here we see that staff member is in here. And now I want to do a little bit of formatting. So what I'm going to do is highlight staff member, and I want to change it to a permanent marker font, and I want it to be bold, and I want it to be a size 48. If you think that's a bit too large, we can make it smaller to an 18. We also want it to be centered, so I'm going to click centered. And let's see how that's going to look. So down here at the bottom right, click merge. And you'll see on the right side where it says merging, please wait. So we'll give that a few seconds. It's telling us it's done merging, open. And there are all of our labels. So from this point, all you have to do is put your labels into your printer, make sure that they're fed in the correct direction, and select print. And you'll see that this is 4 pages of labels. And that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email. Thanks.